Oh, well, do you think he's happy to be here rather than in the rescue pound? Seems to have settled in a little bit, doesn't he? Sometimes it's a little bit difficult to get him started. Hello, are you going to get up today and do some jobs? Or what? Maybe not. So, maybe as you can see, it is raining. So I'm guessing Angela's dove orchids were telling the truth. Weather report is that we've got probably 4 or 5 days of this. What have we got here? We have 4 millimeters. And that isn't too bad. Forecast is up to 100, 150 mils over the next 3 or 4 days. So, yeah, we've got rain. Which is great, it's welcome. You always want a little bit of rain, but it kind of affects the work that you can or can't do. So you've always got a list of jobs. You prioritise them, and you prioritise them in terms of what you need to do most, but you always need a backup. So we've got 4 mils today. As you can see, we didn't really have much of a wet season. Not much at all. 300, 200, 300, 500. That's up through April. Compared with last year, where are we? 1,000, 1,000, 400, 900. So yeah, significantly less than normal. Well, that's the way the cookie crumbles. So, as you can imagine, things like mowing, foliar spraying, such like, can't really do that over the next week. Maybe even fertilising. You can't really fertilise when the ground becomes too wet. Can't plant because the soil is, it sticks together too much. It's nice to plant when the soil's crumbly and just easy to backfill the holes. Great once you've planted to have this sort of weather just to help them settle in and acclimatise to being out in the paddock. So you have to plan for other jobs. And one job that we've got coming up, but it's going to be when the weather's good, is way off in the distance. Where are we? There, you can see a tree that doesn't have a top to it. God, it must be a good 10 metres tall, that tree. And what happened a few weeks back was we had a storm come in and it took down a tree which was a weed tree. We wanted to get rid of it, but it took that tree down and took the top off that tree and also made that tree lean towards the paddock. So now we've got to take that tree out now before the orchard trees get much older. Otherwise, when it does come down, it'll end up taking more trees out. But because of the lean, we'll have to put rope on it or something and try and guide it to where we want it to fall, which is not where it's leaning. And yeah, what could go wrong with that? It'll be interesting, very interesting. So I'll go down and I'll show you the tree that's come down. So this is Stumpy on rainy days. He doesn't like his feet getting wet too much. Let's see if he'll come with us. Any other time, look at him. Oh Dad, I don't want to get my feet wet. Any other time he's out there just charging round. You can't decide. Is he going to come? Chicken! Here it comes. Okay, we're off down to the paddock. Hey mate, are you coming? Yes? Oh God. Okay, so this is the tree that came down, and weirdly it didn't actually uproot the tree. It broke right up. That's 2.5 meters up there, and as you can see, it just kind of shattered the trunk. The noise when this happened, wow, it was like, oh, best way I could describe it would be a box of firecrackers going off. Just bang, 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 bang. The dog legged it, abandoned me, left me to my own devices, and yeah, I decided probably if he was running, maybe I should run. But as you can see, it's starting to reshoot. It's a weed tree. Even this trunk, I have taken two of these out in the past. And the first time I did it, chopped it up into small pieces, stacked it up, thinking, okay, it will just rot down. But no, it started pushing out roots from the actual trunk. And yeah, started reshooting. So I ended up having to burn it just to make sure. And that's what we'll have to do with this one. Is chop it up into manageable pieces and burn it. Chop out the trunk and kill that. And whoa, as you can see, quite a bit of a lean on that tree that I was pointing out before. So yeah, we will have to put rope on it or something and try and pull it down in that direction so that it doesn't fall on these trees and take them out. If it falls now, well, that's just one of those things. But yeah, we've got more trees to plant in those couple of rows just up there. So pointless planting and growing them and then just having them knocked out. But that's not a day for today when it's wet under your foot. So yeah, we'll have to wait till it's dry and we can clear out the way. It's a lot safer. So yeah, there's always jobs, always jobs.
Good boy, Stumpy.
It nearly took me out.